In this video, we're going to discuss some tips for using Schedule Builder and the section search tool to plan out your schedule. Schedule Builder is our recommended resource for planning your upcoming schedule. It helps you by building and visualizing different schedule options for the upcoming term based on the courses you select. Let's take a look at Schedule Builder together. First, you're going to want to go to schedulebuilder.ttu.edu. Click Continue, and then select a term for registration. We're going to go with Fall 2021. Next, you're going to enter a class that you'd like to add to your schedule. So we're going to add Zoology 2403, Human Anatomy and Physiology. Next, we're going to check on the filters over here on the right side. We're going to want to unclick Waitlistable Classes, and then we're going to want to check Hide Honors Schedules, unless, of course, you're an honors student. You can use these arrows to select different times for your class. Now, let's go ahead and add a few more classes to this schedule, like maybe English, Statistics, and History. Now, as you can see, adding more classes provides you with more potential schedules to navigate through and choose between. Schedule Builder shows you how different courses and course selections fit together to form a schedule, but not all sections of each class are shown. After finding a schedule you want to register for, click Save as Favorite down below, and it will show up right here. You also need to access these 5-digit CRNs listed right here, so be sure to write these down for when you're registering for classes later. For an in-depth tutorial on how to use Schedule Builder, please refer to the video linked below. The section search tool allows you to look at all options for any one course for the upcoming semester. To form your initial search, first select the term and then the campus. So we're going to select Fall 2021 TTU, and then we're going to choose Lubbock TTU. We don't need to do anything here because we're not a visiting undergraduate student. Next, we're going to enter the subject and class that we want to look up. So we're going to look for Zoology 2403, Anatomy and Physiology 1. Click Get Class Info, and then you can filter your search results in a number of different ways. One of the ways that you can filter your search results is by clicking on this chain link next to one of the classes. If you click this, you'll see which sections are linked to this course. So if I click this, it'll show that this lecture for Anatomy and Physiology 1 is linked to this no credit lab section. You'll need to take a linked no credit lab section and a lecture section together. You can also filter by days of the week that the class is offered, times that it's offered at, and instructors who will teach the class. This tool is helpful to see all of your options for a single class on a single page. Make sure you check out the next video on looking up classes and registration in the actual registration system.